What up, guys? Welcome back. Day 2. We're taking another look at another clone, another AirPod Pro super copy. These are the AirDots Air 4 Pro. Now, do not confuse these with the AirDots company that I've dropped videos on in the past. These are not those guys. These are from AliExpress. The AirDots Air 4 Pro, it's just kind of coincidence that they have the same name. These are a little different. These are AirPod Pro clones with volume control. And when I say volume, tons and tons of volume on here. They are very loud, so keep that in mind. Volume control on here. Now, yesterday when I talked about these, I was very excited about them because when I first connected these yesterday, I was able to get audio share working. And I don't know what has happened since then, but audio share doesn't work anymore. I don't know what happened, why it doesn't work anymore. First time I connected them, I did get it to work. Ever since then, it doesn't even pop up anymore. But let's connect them now. I'm already connected. Digital Slang's AirPod Pro, now Bluetooth 5.0. Again, battery life on here, it says 5 hours. That is not true. It's going to be about 3.5 hours. And I will do a full comparison, these against the ones I dropped a video on yesterday. Now, you do get the real sound when you put them in your ear. These are real vents on here. The real silicone tips. No text down here and no text on the back of your case. These do support wireless charging. So there are some differences between the ones we had yesterday, between the ones we have today. What do you want? You want better sound? You want volume control? Do you want working transparency mode? I, for one, don't really care about transparency mode. Even on the real AirPod Pros, I don't think I've ever used it once. I don't think I've turned it on ever. So it's not a big deal for me. Now, ANC, neither of these. Yesterday's model did say 26 decibels of noise reduction. Whatever, it's kind of a gimmick. There's nothing really there. It doesn't really do anything. These ANC doesn't have it at all. But it is coming. Just be aware of that. It is coming, and once it comes to the studio, of course, I will drop a video. And I connect them. You're going to open up the lid. You're going to wait for that pop-up animation. You get the animation. You hit connect. And we should get that spinning animation. There it is. Take them out of our ears, throw them in, start the testing. Now you do get that real sound when you put them in your ears, which I'm a huge fan of. Now you also do have blue LED lights on here, and I know a lot of you guys do not like that light. For me, I could care less. It doesn't mean anything to me. We're gonna go in. I'm gonna show you guys, the bells and whistles, the normal stuff that we usually go over. You can rename it. Transparency mode, off, noise cancellation. Those don't do anything. Yesterday, really good transparency mode on these. Nothing left and right. That's when we're going to change this. We're going to turn it off and leave that on Siri and see if that works once we go over the touch controls. Now, the ear tip fit test on here. It does play the real song, and it does say good seal. And if we take them out of our ears and we play it, it says say adjust or try a different ear tip. Now we will throw the left one in the ear. And it does say good seal. Now we'll take the left one out, put the right one in. So pretty cool ear tip fit test, right? Not bad. Automatic ear detection, we're gonna test that, but I did test it already and it does work. And again, the real sounds, once you take it out, once you put it in and it connects, you do get the real sound. So we'll go out of here, and in Find My, GPS also does work on here. And what we're going to do, we're going to start a little differently today. Normally I start testing out the sound quality. Today we're going to do a mic test. I really want to do a mic test, compare this to the one from yesterday, because for me anyway, a good mic is a big deal, right? A bad mic is almost a deal breaker for me. Even on the sound quality, if it's good, if it's a terrible mic, it's a deal breaker because I use my earbuds to talk on the phone quite a bit when I am working. So we'll go in, do a mic test. Let me know. What up, guys? The AirDots Air 4 Pro with volume control Let me know how the mic sounds. I'm hoping that it's comparable at least to the ones yesterday, or hopefully even better. Let me know. Also in Control Center, it's not like the ones yesterday. We had the real logo yesterday in Control Center. We do have the AirPod 2 logo, so a little different. And again, these buttons, they work, but they don't do anything. So we get out of there. We're going to go back in, play some music. First thing I'm going to show you is in-ear detection. So music is playing right now. If I take a bud out, it will pause and we'll put it back in and it plays, and you do get that real sound. So since music is playing, I'm just going to continue, turn it up, listen to some music, listen to some beats, and let you guys know how insanely loud these things are. So sound on here, lots of volume, right? Tons and tons of volume. Extremely loud, too loud. And if you guys follow me, you guys know I like that, right? I like to be able to turn my music down, and these deliver on that. Now, sound quality is different. They're okay, right? The sound quality on here, there's not enough bass. They're not punchy. There's no punchy bass. I don't feel it, right? Yeah, I can hear the bass, but it's kind of lost in the background. The highs and the mids kind of take the forefront. They stand out on here. And for me, I prefer something with more bass, a more balanced and dynamic sound. These, the highs and the mids. If you like highs and mids, you're going to like these. The bass is kind of in the background, and that's disappointing because they're super loud. Listening to content, Netflix, YouTube, things like that, it's going to be really good for you. Loud enough. Overall sound quality, I think it's better than the ones yesterday, but I need more bass. I just do. It's that simple. Now we're going to talk about the touch controls and the volume. And the way the volume works, you just have to kind of, these are force touch, so play and pause, entering in the phone call, next track, previous track. You do have to do the force touch, just like the real ones, and you do get that real sound as well. But the volume is up top here. You have to touch and hold. So I'll show you guys real quick. I'll put it in, play some music, and if I just touch and hold the top of the stem, the volume will raise. And on the other side, just touch and hold, the volume just lowers, and it works really well. Apple, you need to check this out and put this in. You need to put this into your earbuds. It makes a hell of a difference that it's completely hands-free at this point. Now, the way touch controls work on here are very simple. 1 tap on either bud will answer and end the phone call. 2 will go to the next track. 3 and back to the previous track. Very simple, but the volume control is the big winner here. Now, again, I'm a little disappointed here. When I first connected these, I did get audio share to work, and I have not been able to get it to work since then. And that's why I was excited about this yesterday when I was shooting the other video, because I knew this pair coming up today had audio share, but I have not gotten it to work again today. Now, as far as latency goes, no latency at all. Just like yesterday's earbuds, everything was in sync, just like it is supposed to be on iOS, on Android, YouTube, or Netflix, or any other content you want to watch a video on. There was no delay. So really good. Look, these buds, they're comparable, right? They don't have everything. They don't have all of the bells and whistles. And I feel like that's the way of the clones, right? We get some bells and whistles, but for whatever reason, you don't give us everything. And I want everything. I just do. I want everything. I want them to compare to the real AirPod Pros. It's very simple. I will pay a little more for a clone if I can get that. These volume control, which again, the real AirPods Pro do not have Apple, and they work very well. This is how volume control should be on a pair of AirPod Pros. It works really well. And again, the sound on here, don't compare it to the AirPod Pros. The real ones sound much better. These are definitely louder, but as far as the sound quality, AirPod Pros, it's not even close. So there's some good things about these earbuds, right? I'm a little disappointed again because yesterday I did get the audio share to work. Why it's not working today, I really don't know. But that's unfortunate. When I made the video yesterday, I was very excited to bring this video out today because of the audio share and the fact that I couldn't get it to work today. I'm a little disappointed, but the volume control is here. So some good, some bad, right? No text on the back of the case. Bluetooth 5.0, wireless charging does work. The real silicone tips, the ones yesterday, did not have that. And again, we don't get everything. We do get some things. You just have to kind of determine what you like the most. I love a pair of earbuds that have volume controls. That is a big deal to me. You guys let me know. Let me know what you think of the mic, how the mic sounds, how it compares to the pair from yesterday. And I will be doing a comparison video of these two earbuds in the next few days. Now again, I do have ones coming with real ANC. Well, they claim to have real ANC. Of course, the ones I tested yesterday claim to have real ANC as well. So we will see how it all works out. But for now, the EarDots Air 4 Pro, again, do not get these confused with EarDots, the company I've made videos with already. These are different, straight from AliExpress. EarDots Air 4 Pro with volume control, rename, remap GPS, crazy super bass, super high quality, sound, well, volume, not sound. The sound's decent, not great, but the volume is insane. In-ear detection does work on here, lots of little bells and whistles. That's it. We will be back soon. Hope you guys stay safe, man. Peace.